morning and welcome to online class. Day 26, class 6, subject social studies and lesson 2.4. Lesson name is Our Cultural Heritage. Yes, in previous class we had studied about that traditional dance, yes, and traditional musical instruments, yes, and previous class I had already explained you about that, yes, and today I am going to explain you about painting. What is the meaning of painting? What are the importance of painting? Yes, today I will explain you about painting. Okay, first of all I want to explain you the meaning of painting. Painting means chitrakala. Yes, we know very well because painting is very important nowadays. All people know how to paint. Yes, सबैजनालाई थाहा छ कसरी हामीले पेन्ट गर्ने हो. Yes, चित्रकला. Yes, in school also we do these things. Yes, we do paint. Yes, making a picture of an object on a paper, cloth or wall with colors is called painting. Making a picture, कुनै पनि चीजको picture बनाउने on clothes, paper or wall with color is called painting. Yes, again look here, making a picture of an object on a paper, cloth or wall with colors is called painting. Yes, कुनै पनि पिक्चर हामीले वालमा बनाउँछौं या पेपरमा बनाउँछौं या कुनै पनि कपडामा बनाउँछौं भने त्यसलाई के भनिन्छ त? पेन्टिङ. Yes, that means painting. Nepali painting reflects the lifestyle and situation of the contemporary society. Yes, and most of the painting are based on religious tradition. Most of painting are based on religious tradition. जति पनि हाम्रो जुन नेपालमा हामीले पेन्टिङहरु बनाउँछौं नि त्यो चाहिँ सबै रिलिजियस बेस हुन्छ के. कुनै धार्मिक सांस्कृतिकमा के भएको हुन्छ त बेस भएको हुन्छ. Yes, and there are some important Nepali painting here. We can look here. Yes, the important Nepali painting are number 1, book painting, grantha chitra. It is the painting in book. Book painting and meaning बुझ्न सक्छौं. Yes, we can understand from here. Book painting means the painting which we done in book is called book painting. In Nepali, grantha chitra. It is the painting in book. Scroll painting, pawa chitra. It is the painting on cloth. यो पेन्टिङ स्क्रल पेन्टिङ भनेको के हो त? हामीले जुन पेन्टिङ कपडामा गर्छौं नि त्यो पेन्टिङलाई के भन्छ त? स्क्रल पेन्टिङ भनिन्छ. And next is wall painting. Yes, we can understand here from here also. Wall painting means what? भित्ते चित्र. भित्तामा कोरिने चित्रलाई हामीले के भन्छौं त? भित्ते चित्र भन्छौं. Yes, we can find in Tarai region. Yes, in hilly region. Yes, they paint on wall. Yes, the painting on the wall is called wall painting. Means भित्ते चित्र. भित्तामा बनाइएको चित्रलाई हामी के भन्छौं त? भित्ते चित्र. And next is Mithila painting. Mithila painting means what? The painting in Tarai region, especially in Mithila region, is called Mithila painting. Mithila Tarai region means this Mithila region मा हामी गयो भने चाहिँ मिथिला पेन्टिङहरु देख्न पाउँछौं हामीले. यस, यो भनेको मिथिला रिजन भनेको यो प्रोभिजन नम्बर 2 मा पर्छ. यस, हामी चाहिँ जानकी मन्दिर देखेका छौं सबैजनाले. यस, if we haven't see, we can look in our book also. Yes, in Mithila region they paint. Yes, they do paint and that painting is very famous. Yes, they paint on the wall, they paint on the clothes, they paint yes, wall of the temple, wall of the house. Yes, Mithila painting is very famous. Yes, And next is architecture, means vastu kala. Yes, first is painting, chitra kala, and next is what? Vastu kala. Vastu kala means what? The art of designing and constructing building with regard to a specific period, place or culture is called architecture. Architecture भनेको के हो त? वास्तुकला. वास्तुकला भनेको के हो त? What? The art of design. The art of designing, yes, constructing building with regard to specific period, कुनै पनि एउटा specific time तोकिएको period या culture, yes, place is called architecture. Yes, there are different types of architecture. There are various types of architecture in Nepal. They are Pokhara style, Mughal style, yes, stupa or Chitiya style, Shikhar style. These all are the various types of architecture. Yes, for example, when we go to visit Lumini, we can see there. Yes, Pokhara style temple is there, Mughal style temple is there. Yes, we listen from different people. हामी चाहिँ धेरै मान्छेहरुको मुखबाट सुन्छौं. Yes, this temple is Pokhara style temple. Yes, yes, these all are the types of what? Architecture, means vastu kala. Yes, we can see when we go to Lumbini. Yes, in Nepal, yes, there are different types of architecture which we can found easily. Yes, and today I will explain you about Pokhara style. Yes, what is the meaning of Pokhara style? Yes, where we found these types of style? Yes, Pokhara style. Yes, what is the meaning of Pokhara style? The architecture having more than one roof with the border base and gradually narrowing tops. Yes, भनेको के हो त भन्दाखेरि एउटा भन्दा धेरै रूफ भएको. Yes, more than one roof, दुईटा तीनटा. Yes, with border base, तल के भएको? border भएको. Yes, we can see that like this. Yes, चारैतिर के भएको त? border भएको. Yes, gradually narrowing tops, र माथि गरी के भएको त? एकदमै सानो भएको, एकदमै मतलब कन्स्ट्रक्ट भएको. तल ठुलो छ भने फेरि माथि सानो सानो हुँदै गएकोलाई के भन्छ त? narrowing tops. Yes, Pokhara style, the architecture having more than one roof with the border base and gradually narrowing tops. For example, Kasthamanda Pasupatinath. Yes, we can take the example of Pasupatinath. Yes, first there is border. Yes, up like this. Yes, again up top. Yes, up like this. Yes, here is also border. Yes, that means what? चारैतिर border भएको, एउटा रूप भन्दा धेरै भएको र माथि गएर चाहिँ साँघुरो भएकोलाई के भन्दो रहेछ त? Pokhara style भन्दो रहेछ. Yes, okay, today up to Pokhara style. Yes, in next class I will teach you about stupa. Yes, and others style. Yes, and today I give you some work, and please complete your work. Answer the following question. Which style of building do you like and why? हजुरहरुलाई कुन टाइपको बिल्डिङ मन पर्छ? Yes, र किन मन पर्छ त्यो लेख्नु होला. What do you mean by painting? Yes, painting भनेको के हो? Write briefly about all types of painting in Nepal. नेपालमा पाइने जति पनि प्रकारका पेन्टिङहरु छन् त्यसको बारेमा लेख्नुहोस्. Just I have explained you about this. Yes, what is the meaning of painting? Making different types of picture in cloth, paper, wall is called painting. Yes, there are scroll painting. Yes, scroll painting, wall painting. Yes, mithila painting. Yes, there are different types of painting. Write about that and write that there's detail. Yes, okay, this is your work. Please complete your work in time and learn also. Okay, and today Okay, this much. Next class I will teach you new things. Thank you. Stay safe. Stay